When you start learning the 3D modeling, the most important thing is getting the basics right. In this video, we will create a simple 3D model in CATIA step by step, focusing on clean sketches and basic features. By the way, I am Dr. Syed Zabiullah and I work closely with the mechanical engineers who wants to build the strong designing skills. Stay with me, let's get inside the CATIA, start designing the 3D models. In this video, I am going to explain how to design this 3D component in the CATIA using part design. Okay, so I'm going to start from the right side. We are starting from this face. Okay, so we're going to start from the outer circle first and we are going to add the material in this direction with respect to dimensions. Okay, then after that, we are going to select the middle plane and we are going to draw this shape, the complete close profile, and we are going to pad it in this direction. The first part is completed, the second part is completed. And the third one here, we are going to draw the small rectangle and we are going to pad it till the last. Fine. This is a third piece, third part. Fine. And the fourth one is we are going to draw the stiffener in the center. Just draw a single line and use the stiffener. We are going to add the material. That's the fourth portion. The last one, we are going to draw the circle in the center and we are going to remove the material here. Fine. That's the fifth portion. Fine. So this is how we are going to design this component. Let's get inside the interface of part design. There I'm going to explain how to design this component. This is the interface of CATIA. Let's get inside the part design. Go to start mechanical design. Here we're going to get the part design. So click on this part design. Okay. So I just want to keep the default name here. Click OK. Now we are ready to start designing. Okay. So I'm starting from this side plane, that is Z and X plane. Select this plane. Go to the option here, sketch. Once I click on the sketch, we are getting the option to draw the sketch. I am drawing the circle. The dimension of the circle is diameter 50 millimeter. Exit workbench, go to the option here, pad. Okay, the total pad is 60 millimeter. I'll keep it as 30 and I'll use mirror extend. So click OK for this one. I'm going to get something like this. Okay, now select the front plane, that is YZ plane. YZ plane, go to sketch. Fine. So let's go to rectangle. Let's start from here, first point and second point. Now I want to add the dimension for this. This vertical line 110, enter for this. Okay. And one more dimension, this line. This line is 50 millimeter, 50, enter. The bottom cylinder total length is 60 and this width is 50. The remaining is 10 millimeter. Right side is 5 millimeter, left side is 5 millimeter. I'm going to select this edge to this line. This is 5 millimeter, 5, enter. Okay, so let's go to circle. I'm going to draw the circle here. This is what I. Let's go to the option trim. I just want to trim this. Okay, trim this also. Go to the option circle. I'm going to draw a circle. I want to add the diameter here for the inside circle 25 mm. Okay, so let's go to dimension again. I want to add the dimension for this also. Okay, so exit. Now there is a thickness for this of around 18 millimeter. Go to pad, but not in this direction, in the opposite direction. In the opposite direction, 18 millimeter, 18, enter for this. So select the side surface. Okay, because we have one more extra piece on this right side. Select this surface, go to the option sketch. Okay, so let's go to the option rectangle. I'm going to start from here, first corner and second corner. So let's go to dimension. From this edge to this line, the dimension is 48 millimeter, enter. Okay, and here we can apply the geometrical constraint or select this line and this line. I want to give it a 0, enter for this. Okay, and this dimension is 24, 24, enter, and this dimension is 18, 18, enter for this. Fine, exit, click on the option here, exit. Now go to the option pad, not in this direction, in the opposite direction for 50 millimeter, 50, enter. We can see that here what we are going to do. Fine. Now I want to remove the material here. Before that, in the center, I have a stiffener. Select the center plane, mid plane, go to the option, sketch option. Fine. Let's go to the option line. Approximately start from here, first point and second point. So there is a dimension from this center to this point. The dimension is 30 millimeter, 30 enter. And I'm going to select this line, hold control, this circle and this line, it should be tangency. Circle and the line should be tangency. Okay, exit, go to the option here that is called as stiffener. Open this. Here we are going to get the option. Open this, we'll get the option here, stiffener. Sketch was already selected. Now how much is the thickness of this? 12 mm is the thickness. Click on the preview. Okay, I'm going to get the shape like this. The last one, I'm going to select this surface because I want to remove the material. The shape of is like circle. I'm going to draw a circle. How much the dimension? 30 mm is the diameter of this. Exit. Go to the option pocket. Fine. So I want to pocket till the last. So go to the option up to last. Okay. Now we can see that here. This is our final 3D component we designed in the part design. Okay. In the CATIA.